I'm in Detroit at the Detroit Auto Show.
"2017 for Mercedes-Benz again was a fantastic year, and again we are the strongest automotive premium brand selling in the US.
So for us it was a golden opportunity after 39 years of the G-Class to do something really special.
So the auto show is very important to this state, but it's also important to the manufacturers who come here.
The G-Class was my first responsibility for a product in our company that goes back to the early 80s, and that of course creates a very personal relationship for me.
The DNA remains, of course, the iconic styling, but in that context we have gone to independent suspension on the front suspension, which dramatically improves the on-road capability of the car, but also make it even more capable off-road.